Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to withdraw funds from your Shopify store? In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard at shopify.com. Once logged in, navigate to your orders or payments section. If you haven't already, you need to set up Shopify payments from settings, then payments, and click activate Shopify payments and follow the prompts to add your bank account details. This will allow you to withdraw your earnings directly to your account. Now go to settings, then payments, then click on the payout tab. Here you will see your available balance and recent transactions. To withdraw funds, click transfer funds or withdraw. Next to your available balance, you can transfer the funds to your connected bank account or PayPal account. You can also set up automatic payouts under payout schedule. To withdraw your money on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This helps you manage your cash flow better. Once you confirm the withdrawal, your funds will be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn your Shopify store earnings. Thanks for watching.